This is the elevator at Victoria Square in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. There's this old certificate there from 2017-19. It was installed in 2007. It's a Thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with a man PP, but it's like Aurora style, and it's on the side, the call button. And just my turn. This is an old building. This is not what I was hoping for, but we're here, so why not ride it? Basement, here we go down. The fire is like all taped up. Guess there's no fire strips on this or something here at the basement. Or not in that great a shape. It's creepy. Loading dock basement. There's like someone's car. To 4, here we go. Interesting area. Here at 4. Back down to 1. I think there's like someone's apartment up here or something. Sick charm. I think it's like someone's apartment. It's a basic cab with a wood floor. It might be a fake wood floor. You have Mad BP replacement buttons, but I have the Aurora buttons down there. Here we go, 1. I'm guessing that lantern's not original either. This building's gonna run down. Because that's gonna be it.